Franchising is one of the fastest ways for businesses to grow. But before expansion, there's one critical question. Is it feasible?
A feasibility study is an analysis that determines if a business idea is a practical and likely to succeed. In franchising, it checks if a business model can be copied in different locations while staying profitable and consistent.
Not all profitable businesses are fit for franchising. Feasibility studies help avoid risk by examining market demand, cost, operations, and even legal requirements.
It's like a safety check. Without it, franchisors and franchisees could lose money and damage the brand.
Market analysis. This look at demands, competition, and customers' demographic. It answers the question, is there room for another player in the market?
Financial analysis. It reviews startup costs, operating expenses, and expected profits. It also calculates ROI to check if franchising will be sustainable.
Scalability. This examines if the business model can be easily copied in other locations without losing quality. A franchise must be adaptable.
Legal and regulatory review. Making sure the franchise follows laws, protects trademarks, and has clear contracts for both franchisors and franchisees.
Another is franchisor training. The brand's reputation and the support system it provides like training, marketing, and operational guidance.
Risk analysis. This identifies possible threats like market saturation or economic changes and offers strategies to minimize them.
Feasibility studies are not just paper. They are foundation of smart franchising, giving both franchisors and franchisees a clear picture of risk and opportunities.
In franchising, success begins with feasibility.